welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I am going to do a little bit of something different. So this week I want to share 6 outfits that I've been wearing from home, and some of them with how to style them outside if you're going for walks and stuff like that. I feel like I just got a bit bored with wearing loungewear over the last couple of lockdowns. So this time round, with working from home and being at home all the time, I really wanted to make an effort just to get ready. It actually makes myself feel a lot more productive and just getting on with the day, and it makes me feel like I'm getting ready to do something instead of feeling a bit sluggish and staying in cozy clothes. I feel like that just makes me want to curl up on a ball and sit on the sofa. So without further ado, I am going to talk to you through 6 outfits that I have been loving this January. So first up is this outfit I am wearing now. This jumper is from ASOS actually. This is ASOS brand, and I am really extremely impressed with the quality of the jumper. It was really reasonable as well. It's this really nice creamy white colour, and it's got really lovely features like this really lovely thick ribbed v-neck, which is really flattering, and then also has some bellow sleeves with a really nice long cuff. I just think it's so flattering as well. It looks really put together. It's super cozy and comfy as well. That is key. Each outfit has to be comfortable to be wearing all day at home, because you're just going to want to aim to put those tracksuit bottoms on. So yeah, I've paired it with my Topshop flare trousers, which I will leave a similar pair down below. Unfortunately, I bought these a couple of years ago and have been obsessed with them, especially during lockdown when I just want to wear something really cozy and comfy. These flare trousers feel like a tracksuit bottom because they're so flary, so comfortable. There's room for food. So yeah, I absolutely love these, and I do have a matching blazer to go with them. However, obviously it looks a bit too formal wearing them both together, especially with this jumper, but I just thought this looked really lovely. It goes really nice with my matching sheepskin slippers that I'm living in, and I just think that this neutral colour outfit is really nice in comparison to the black sweatshirts and leggings I wear 24/7. Okay, so the next one is kind of like a staple outfit to have in your wardrobe. A plain t-shirt and a pair of leather trousers. I feel like they are very key pieces to have in your wardrobe. Even at home, I feel like faux leather trousers just make the outfit look a bit more of a level up in comparison to like paper bag ones. Feels like it puts the outfit together and dresses up really lovely. So today I'm wearing a t-shirt which is from Kiwi Fashion, which I absolutely love. Create these gorgeous replica t-shirts from designer brands. So today, as you can see, I'm wearing the Dior one. I'll leave all the outfits down below, and then I paired it with my faux leather paper bag trousers from H&M. I bought these a couple of months ago, but I will leave it down because I do believe they do keep coming back into stock. They're amazing, and if there are some other ones that I find, I will leave those in the description box down below as well. So for this outfit, I just thought it was super cozy, super comfortable, but still like put together. Also as well, it's an outfit which I feel like you can go straight out the house, like if you're gonna go for a walk or go to the supermarket. So I have also paired it with this really lovely blue felt jacket from Fall From Reckless. I was kind of given this week, and I have been obsessed with it. I really like that it's long line as well. A lot of jackets are boxy, where I feel like with the long line, I feel it's a little bit more different, which I love. And I just feel like even this outfit without the trousers, with just some leggings on, I feel like that would look really nice as well. So yeah, so I've put this look together. I feel like that looks really nice with slippers and like in the house. However, take the slippers off, and then I've put on some trainers. These ones are from Adidas. I've also got a pair from Veja, which would definitely look really nice as well. And then I paired it with a white coat because I feel like that just complements the blue, and I just feel like that just really brings to light that outfit again. I really love the colour in this. I'm not massively into my colours, but I just think this outfit looks really chic as well. Take off the jacket and you can pair it with blazers, oversized jumpers, cardigans, other coloured jackets. I just think that's a key outfit to have in your wardrobe. So next up, this is a very extra top, which I find so beautiful. It is this H&M beautiful pleated shirt, and it is so gorgeous. It is quite long line. I did get it in my true to size, which was a small, and I'm so obsessed with it. I feel like I've proper dressed up when I'm wearing it, and I feel like I was wearing it and I actually felt like I was like in the office, or I was just about to go out and have some drinks, but it just felt a little bit more than just wearing cardigans and t-shirts. Like, putting on a shirt just feels so lovely. I know it's a little bit cold at the moment, so for me personally, I am drawn to just wearing knitwear at the moment because I just get so cold. But I absolutely love this shirt. I just think the details of it is so beautiful, and I can really see this in the summer as well with a pair of jeans, or even like a little pair of cycle shorts underneath. Definitely could pull this off as a dress, but definitely put a bit of a layer on underneath because I feel like it might be a little bit see-through on the back. But I just love the detail of the v-neck and the really thin pleated double layered collar. I just think that looks so gorgeous and just so extravagant, and really makes me feel like I'm getting ready to go to work. It just looks so lovely. However, I've paired it with my Sweaty Betty leggings because you can't really tell it's leggings. Super comfortable. Instead of wearing jeans, I put some leggings on because I just want to stay comfortable. I feel like I'm all dressed up at the top, and then I've just got my comfy leggings on at the bottom, and I just think that looks so lovely. Maybe this is a shirt to wear maybe on a Friday, so if you're at work and then you're wearing something really nice for the evening. Lots of gold jewellery and loads of gold bangles. I think that would just look so beautiful. This will look stunning, especially like when we are able to go out and go for dinners and kind of like casual smart, and I just think it's so cool, so effortless. But because of that pleat, it just makes it a bit more extravagant, but again, so comfy, oversized. So yeah, really happy with that one. So next up is a really lovely jumper which I got in 2 colours, which are coming up in the next clips. So the first one is this gorgeous neutral, like taupey sleeveless ribbed jumper from H&M. I am obsessed. I got it in my true to size, which is a small. I wasn't too sure with the style of this. I have got a black sleeveless turtleneck jumper from Holland & Cooper, which I've really fallen in love with at the moment. I just think it looks so chic. I actually feel really comfortable. I didn't think I would, especially with my boobs being a bit bigger than I would prefer. I get a bit wary of having them quite visual, so I like to wear stuff which kind of hide them and make the illusion of me having small boobs, but that's just a preference. So for me, a sleeveless top, I just think that personally would have been a no-go, but since having Holland & Cooper top, I just absolutely love it, and I've been pairing it with some flare trousers at home. I just feel really chic. So I'm going to show you how I've been styling it, pretty much as the Holland & Cooper one, but I've got this really lovely taupe colour, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I'm completely and truly obsessed with it. So for this outfit, I have paired it with my Sweaty Betty leggings because I'm being true to this video. I have been living in my Sweaty Betty leggings. They're just so comfortable, feel very supportive, look really nice on the legs, but still really comfortable, and I just think they look really nice. Instead of wearing skinny jeans, which I love to wear with most outfits, I don't really want to be wearing skinny jeans at home. They're not that comfortable, and so I'm gonna wear my Sweaty Betty leggings, which, to be fair, you don't really notice, and I think it looks really nice. I've actually paired it with my khaki jacket, which I usually pair my Holland & Cooper sleeveless roll neck jumper with, and I just think instead of wearing a blazer where you might feel like that feels or looks a little bit too formal, a jacket is a really good alternate option. I just think it looks so lovely, really put together. If you're feeling a bit hot, then you can take it off and you've got, your arms are free. But I think this jumper, this sleeveless jumper, is a really good transitional piece for spring and autumn. I cannot wait to already pair it with some jeans and sandals, or white shorts and sandals. I just think it's such a lovely jumper, and again, as I said, I've got it in another colour as well coming up in a minute. So again, I have paired it with my white coat, which I feel like with the taupey knitwear it looks really lovely. However, you can take the jacket off and just wear the white coat underneath if that's too many layers. And then I've paired it with my brown Holland & Cooper scarf, which I'm so obsessed with. I just get so much wear out of them. I have it in black as well, and me and my housemate Hells, we just wear them time and time again. They're just, the quality of them are incredible. They're just really snug, huge scarves, and they're just perfect for wrapping up in. And then I have paired it up with my new Pleated bag. You can see it over there. It's the Pleated number 8. It is so gorgeous. It's this beautiful scallop crafted bag, bucket bag style, and it's so beautiful, and I just absolutely love the colour of it. I just think it's so transitional. If you haven't heard of Pleated Paris at all, you're about to be blown away. It's a beautiful French craftsmanship brand, and when we're talking about the price range, I want to say it's on the lower scale of a designer prices, but the quality and just the design of them are just so gorgeous, and I just think this is such a lovely design, so different and so characteristic. So I absolutely love this. So like I said, I've paired it with this. This bag would be really nice, which I'm really excited for in the summer. I just think it's such a transitional bag. I just cannot wait to wear it in the summer. But anyway, back to the video. So yeah, so I paired it with a matching brown bag to the matching scarf, and I just think that looks really nice with a pair of white trainers just to keep it casual. I just love this outfit so much. I just love that sleeveless jumper. The quality of it is amazing. I do believe it's made also out of 64% recycled polyester as well. So yeah, a really good affordable piece to have in your wardrobe, which I think I'm going to get use out of time and time again. So I might as well just skip to the sleeveless jumper in the black to show you another way of wearing it. You could definitely wear this outfit as well with the taupe one if you're indecisive of what colour to go for, or you just want to get one colour, or just get both. So I've paired the black sleeveless top with a really nice pair of grey jeans, which I got from Zara in the summer. I will leave, if I can find them, I will leave a link, but I'll link a pair similar. So I feel like this is a bit more edgy. These jeans are super comfortable. They're not tight at all. I would literally describe them as they feel like wearing leggings. Super comfortable, and that is key. So I really like these jeans because I've decided I'm not a massive blue jean gal, which I think both jumpers would look so nice with blue jeans, but on me personally, I just don't feel the love of blue jeans that much. I do have one pair, but I'm just more of a neutral girl. So without further ado, I have paired this black jumper with a pair of grey jeans, which I absolutely love, and I've made it a bit more of, so it would look really nice at home, obviously, with slippers. If I was going to work or going to an event or going to a meeting, like going out for lunch or anything like that, I would style it is with these gorgeous pair of vegan aloha boots. They are so beautiful, and I think, again, I'm gonna say it, but they're very transitional with the brown rim. I just think that makes it a bit more day wear or day appropriate, and then they're really lovely for going into the night. They're also super comfortable, a really good heel, so they are very comfortable to walk in. And then I've paired it with my huge oversized H&M black coat, which I just absolutely love. It does come back into stock, but it is very in demand. It is a beautiful coat. I got it in a size small. Probably could have gone down to an extra small, but it's just so comfortable. I believe it was £99, but I feel like a black coat is a huge staple to have in your wardrobe. It's just a classic coat to have, and this coat is so oversized and so chic. I just think you're just going to get so much wear out of it, and it just suits different occasions. So massive love for that. And then I paired it with my black Chloe bag. I just think that looks all really nice, like really black but then a little bit of grey. So yeah, I really love this outfit. So last but not least, for this edit, I have done one which I've been really loving. It's definitely a working from home attire. I've been loving wearing it at the moment. I just feel like it's really me. I have been wearing just a classic black oversized t-shirt with my Sweaty Betty leggings, and to dress this up and feel like I'm wearing a proper outfit, I either dress it up with my brown oversized blazer. I just love this blazer. It's so cozy, and because it's oversized, I feel like it has a nod to a bit more of a casual look, but it literally looks like I'm ready for work. I feel ready for work in it. I just love this outfit so much, and I've been wearing it so much as well. Especially the base of the outfit is as well amazing for shacket, or if you've got like an open jumper you want to wear, anything. I just think it looks really cool, but really casual and super effortless. Very Parisian chic, as classic Amelia Taylor would say. So yeah guys, these are my 6 outfits I've been loving wearing from home. Just some staples that I wanted to share with you, and also some staple outfits that I have been loving to wear. And they are true to what I am wearing all the time. I just think it's so cozy, but also as well, I think it's just so key to get ready and put your makeup on, or do your hair if you just want to have a fresh face and you CBA for makeup. Put on your skincare, make yourself feel really fresh and glowing, do your hair, and put on a really nice outfit. I feel like this has just really helped with my productivity, my mindset. Really like these outfits, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Again, it really supports my channel, and if you do like these videos, then please give a thumbs up. It lets me know if you enjoy them. like I said, everything will be linked down below. Other than that, thank you so much again, and I will see you next time.